how to make free bundle on MTN, the tricks that is involved. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I need your help. Subscribe and leave comment below. So you dial star 550 hash. There you dial. So this what you are going to pick. These are the options that they brought. You are going to pick option 7. You pick 7, dial, and this is what is going to take you to the portal where you are going. Welcome to MTN Rewards. You're going to check point or 99 for more, but I'm not going to check the point. I'm going to 99. So if you go to 99, you see what you are having or what they've given you. Okay, this is what I have. So you go to redeem point. That's number 2. Okay, so do you want airtime? Do you want bundle? We want bundle, right? Or other reward views. So let's pick the number 2. The 2 is what we are going to go for. So number 2. Okay, they give it daily pack, weekly pack, monthly pack. So I prefer the monthly pack. So let's go and check the monthly pack, what they have there. So that's number 3. Okay, the monthly pack, this is what you are going to get. 20,000 points will give you 400 megabytes, and 40,000 will give you 1 gig, and 80,000 will give you 2 point something gig. Okay, so this is where you're going to confirm. Now grab your free data now and enjoy it.